Starbucks. Ito, pwede magkape rito.
Ayan, nakakita ko mga tayo. Oh wow, I like this.
Tama. Dito tayo na gano'n. Escalator.
Yeah.
Dito tayo pumasok. Kasi nandito yung Jollibee.
Okay, sampang lakaran na yun. We're gonna walk there.
Yung babae, nakano din yung sapatos mo.
Thrill steak. Punta naman tayo dun. Hindi pa tayo galing.
Diyan tayo pumasok kanina.
Oh, pero hindi pa tayo nakapunta dun. Okay, let's go.
Dito tayo gusto.
Yeah. Let's go here. Hila si Ma.
Mamaya, magpupormahan na yung dito. Mamaya, makapahal kasi
Yep. Fountain. Let's go.
pansit. Mamaya.
Ito Chinese din. This is Japanese. Traditional Japanese restaurant. And so what is this here? Food court. Fridays and Fridays. Okay, Fridays. Fridays. Grabe itong bag. Las Flores. Ilas yun. Ilas. French fries may nagkalat. Texas Roadhouse. Oh wow, look at this. Wow, grabe. Ang ganda naman. Pwede rin tayo dito lang mamaya. Ganda oh.
Anong oras na ba? Kailangan ka nang
Tagal pa. 3 o'clock pa lang.
Ayan.
Diyos ko.
Exact.
We still have time. Ha? MK ha? Ganda nila MK. Tinitingnan? Isa lang? Okay. Ganda nila MK.
Ito, by regression, yung kinakapian nila.
Kuya. Wala eh. Hard. Kala no, black. Sino pa rin? Nonos. Bakery.
Yan, coffee din.
Yeah. so. This is nice. We exercise
Happy Father's Day.
and
Nakalagay.
we exercise and we explore. Very nice.
Happy Father's Day.
Yeah. Look at this. The medley buffet. Ito naman buffet.
Ah, ito yung
Grabe,
buffet.
walang tao.
Ay, wala
La
pa.
Piazza Ristorante Italiano. Alright. Ooh, looks good. Baka dyan ang masarap na steak. Look at this. Okay. There are some. Grabe, hindi pa nila nililinis sa mga tables.
Ano ito? From... Yung binasa ko ito. From
Oh yeah?
11 yata to 3.
Oh yeah?
Tapos yung ano nila, yung
Oh
dinner.
shoot, my finger? Alright, it's okay.
Yung dinner nila from 6 to ano.
Alright.
From 6 to something.
And this is Korean restaurant. Ansil Pei. That's not Thai, okay? Pei. Yeah, that's Korean. Oh, wow. Oh, masarap ah. Okay. That's their food. Casino. Wow, this is hot here. Oh, wait. Meron sa baba. Dito muna tayo sa taas. Let's go here. Dito siguro yung mga stores. Parang wala na dyan. Escalator going downstairs.
Yung basement. diba?
Ah, okay.
Parking.
Parking, okay. So ito. Alright. Oh, okay. Aray ko po. Ano ba yan? Bigla ka na lang. Saan ka punta? Wala na dyan. Let's go there. Wow, it's hot.
Sarado eh.
Let's see. Oh, yeah, okay. Why it's closed? Alright, so it's closed. Tingnan muna tayo kung ano yan dyan. That's the Central Pavilion. Central Pavilion, sarado. Okay. So we're going back. Cow chicken. Another Japanese. Cow kitchen, I mean. Homemade special Swiss. Oh, okay, this is Japanese. Right. So, meron sa baba. Parking now. They have 7-Eleven here. So, okay, parking now. So we go back. That's it.